Today we're going to go over how to use our templates. If you don't have Adobe software or a design team, contact us to learn more about Relico's custom design solutions. First, we're going to open Illustrator. For demonstration purposes, I already have my Illustrator open. Once you have Illustrator open, we're going to go navigate and open up the template. So I'm going to click on File, Open. And you're going to navigate to wherever you save that template on your computer. For demonstration purposes, I put it on my desktop in a folder called Template Video. We're going to do the luggage tag, one of our Revlar products. Click Open. So now that the file is open, you'll first notice on the right-hand side of the panel a panel called Layers. Now if it's not open on yours, you're going to go up over to Window and select Layers, which is going to hide mine. So we're going to have to go do that again because mine was already open, but that was for demonstration. So now that you have Layers open, you'll notice that you have a line item called Live Art and then one called Template. We keep Template locked so that nothing will move around and shift. It just keeps it locked down. However, if you do need certain elements, you can always come and unlock it and then click on any of those pieces that you want because it is all live. But we'll just keep that locked and keep it simple for today. So now that I make sure I'm highlighting Live Art, we're going to go and insert a picture. So I'm going to go up to File and I'm going to go Place. And because I put all my images and everything in the same folder as the template, we don't really have to navigate anywhere, but if you did, this is where you would navigate to wherever you needed your picture. So this is the photo we're going to use today. We're just going to resize this just a little bit, just so it will look a little decent in there. Just keep resizing it till we think it's appropriate. Now I'm going to put this image in the background. So I'm going to do Arrange and I'm going to send it back. Actually, I'm going to make that image just a little bit larger so it covers the whole luggage tag. Now I'm going to select the outline of the luggage tag and also the picture. So now both are selected and I am going to right click and I'm going to do Make Clipping Mask. You see it frames it nicely. And I'm going to move it up a little bit so we can get a little bit more of the color in there. Yep, that looks about right. So now that we are starting to build the luggage tag, you will notice the blue outline. That is the actual size of the luggage tag. But we always recommend that you don't put an image right to the edge just for the printer usability. So next we're going to go same thing, up to File and Place. And we're going to go grab our logo. I have it in white right in here because I thought that would look nice over the blue background. Just going to resize that a little bit here. And we'll just kind of tuck it down nicely like that. Maybe just move it just a little bit more. Actually, I think I'm going to put it in this corner. I think it's going to look better over here. So now we have our logo. And again, that was all using the selection tool. So now let's say you wanted to add some text. You want to go grab your type tool. Draw a little box and we'll just put for demonstration luggage tag. And I'll just move that down here, make it a little bit bigger. Just fill in that space. Now that we have everything in place, I'm just going to simply copy it just for time's sake. And I'm going to paste it. I'm actually going to delete that one there. And we'll just come down here. That looks about center. Paste it. And I'm actually going to rotate it 180 degrees so it fits nicely right there. Make sure to get rid of that. Copy this one and paste that down there. Make sure to get rid of that. And now we have our 4 luggage tags ready to print. Alright, now before we go to print, I just want to bring you back to the layers panel. And again, you'll see the template still visible. We don't want to print that actual outline, so I'm just going to click the little eyeball and it's gone. So now when we go up to print, you won't be able to see the outline of the template. It will just be the image that you want. So we'll go down to print.
That is how simple it is to use our templates. And if you need assistance with your design, we're always here to help. Thanks for watching.